Love and greetings to you. I'm Paul Friedman. I'm founder of the Marriage Foundation, and this is a unisex question. It's how to make the best out of a bad marriage. Now, I used to be a divorce mediator, and so I have lots of experience with bad marriages, and then a couple asked me to help them save their marriages. This is 2001, long time ago. And so I asked my psychologist friends who sent me all my business, how do I handle this? What do I do? And they said, well, you ask them what's wrong, and you see if you can help them a little bit at a time. And I didn't like any of that. So I did a deep dive, and I asked the question, why do people get married at all? And it was like, wait, that's a great question. And when I started asking people why they got married, even standing in line at Starbucks, they would tell me, well, I met my soulmate. That was the universal answer. No, didn't do it for me. I mean, why get married? And then it dawned on me. We get married because we want to be happier. Duh, right? And then I asked the question, well, what makes us happy? Well, what makes us happy is more than just the absence of misery-producing things. That's pretty easy, right? That's straightforward. The thing that makes everybody happy, without exception, is love. You can't go wrong with love. It just makes you happy. And I don't mean being loved. I mean loving. In fact, if you love somebody and they could be mean to you as can be, you're still going to be happy if you're focused on that joy that love is creating. And so this became sort of the foundation of all of the teachings that I developed, and we now have courses, a couple of books, and the real question is, what do I do about a bad marriage? Not how do I make the best of it, how do I turn it around? Isn't that a better question? How do I turn my marriage around? I wish I could solve that for you in one little video that's for the general public, but I've given you the essence. What you do is, if you want to drive a car, what do? You learn about cars, you learn about roadways, you learn about the rules of the road, you learn how to drive, and then voila, you're going to be a good driver and enjoy driving. Trust me, marriage is way more complicated than that, and yet none of us have learned, and those of us who try to learn are getting bad information. Because the information that's primarily out there now has been formulated by Western psychologists, and they consider love to be an abstract thought, just an increased form of like, which it is not. It's much greater than that. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and get your mind out of enduring your bad marriage. Get your mind into, wow, this guy says I could turn it around. Well, I'm going to give it a shot. It's worth it. Believe me. Saved thousands of marriages through our courses. Thousands. And we could help you with yours too. God bless you. Go to our website. If you have a question for one of our counselors, it's free to ask. Feel free. We're here for you. God bless you, and take care. Thank you.